One of my favorite things to do after Christmas is to go shopping and grab some awesome deals on an after Christmas sale. Today we are doing a Hobby Lobby after Christmas haul. Let's get started. I'm going to start with stuff that's not really Christmas related and we're not on the 60% off. And that's a few things I bought for my sweet little niece, starting with this body glitter. Look how adorable this is. Then her name starts with an M. So I got her this necklace. Isn't that pretty? And look at that price. Not bad at all. Then she got a little keychain. And as a little fun gift, I got her these two little Care Bears so she can paint. It comes with the paints, two little brushes. This is going to be so much fun for a 9-year-old. The last thing I got that's not Christmas related, but for those who watch my channel, really think I need one. Now, I have 1,700 glue guns, but the one I love the most is my cheapest one. It's white. It's really nasty looking at this point. So I got myself this pink one. Look at that price, $2.99 for this little cutie. I had to take it. So I promised to throw away that ugly, dingy white one, and I have that one. Now let's get to the Christmas section. Starting with these little kooky bags. They were $1.99 minus 60% off. Everything was 60% off. And these bags being under $1, you cannot beat that price. And this was a pack of 20. Next, I got risers. Risers are always a good thing. Now, these red ones I can use for Valentine's, 4th of July, and of course for Christmas, and in instances where it's behind a picture frame or something that I need to raise something. These are great. And then I also got this little cutie. It's a shorter one than this one. And this one I pretty much got either for Christmas or to maybe raise a candle behind some decor or something, just where I need a little bit of a lift. Next, we got picks, and I got some pretty picks, my friends. Look at these cuties. Now, these are one of those things that are super smart to get because they are farmhouse. They are not necessarily Christmas only. They're farmhouse. And I got these 60% off. They were $3.99, 60% off. They came with 4 branches each. And of course, you can extend them a little taller if you need to. And I thought this was an awesome deal. Next, we have some of these picks. Look at that gorgeous blue. I don't know when I'm going to use them. I think they're even great for 4th of July. They're just this absolutely stunning velvet blue. And I got 2 picks. My sister wanted this one, and I will make a wreath work just for that. Look at this. It's not black. It's not blue. It's like this dark velvety blue purple. Absolutely stunning. And I think I can definitely put this in the center of the wreath, maybe on the side of the wreath. I will make it work. I shall make it work. Next, we have Deco mesh. My friends, for those who know, one of my favorite Deco mesh is this one. Oh my goodness. These are great when you're doing curls for pretty much any Christmas winter wreath. Sometimes I've even used it for 4th of July wreaths. This is the type of Deco mesh that doesn't really fray that easily. So they're great to use as curls when you need to fill in your wreath. Maybe you're doing a poof wreath and you're like, oh my goodness, this is so sparse. Grab one of these, or pretty much any Deco mesh that really doesn't shred that much, or use a heating tool. Cut up 10 to 12 inch little pieces, roll them up, and add them to the ribbon of when you're making little ribbon bundles. These are absolutely great. I love this, and I love it so much. I got 5 of these, no joke. I got 5. Then I went a little glam and picked up this roll. And I do have people who ask, Nadia, what do I do with this type of ribbon that kind of shreds? It's very easy. You have to do a continuous method. If you don't want to deal with this foiling, you have to. Even if you use a heating tool to cut it, it's still not going to be the same. That foil it like slips out. So I use it for any continuous method like poof, like bubble, things like that. These are great for that. Then I got a roll of this one, which I can definitely use for a Valentine's wreath. Then I got this one. This one is foiled to the max, you guys. Look at all of this gorgeousness, though. You can use it for 4th of July. You can use it for a New Year's winter wreath. I bought it because I knew it wasn't going to last to the next sale after Christmas. Then this is the last roll of Deco Mesh. And my friends, does this not scream Valentine's a little bit? Kind of springy Valentine's almost? I mean, okay, so the red is not too springy, but I can totally do a Valentine's wreath with this ribbon. Look how gorgeous this is. I think it was made for more of like that candy theme for Christmas, but I think this will work perfectly for Valentine's. And that is why I love after Christmas sales, because you can definitely grab great ribbon, great deco mesh that you can use throughout the other seasons, or maybe for next year. Now for the ribbon, my friends. First, I got this beautiful, beautiful ribbon. This is just red and white. All of my ribbon is going to be wired, of course, but when you get a ribbon, this one's $9.99. You add the 60% off. You cannot beat that price. You can't. It's a great price. Then I got this green one. Now this green is a gorgeous green because I can definitely use it in some kind of a summer wreath. Yes, it will work for Christmas. Yes, it will work for spring, maybe any wreath that maybe you kind of keep it floral. I think I can utilize this ribbon. It's really, really pretty. Next, I got this kind of a lime, light green, velvety. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. They also had this one in like a yellow, but it didn't look that pretty to me. So I grabbed this one, or mint. I think mint would be the best way to describe this color. Really pretty, really soft. And I had to take it. Then I got this one, which I basically can match with any of these. Probably this 2.5-inch one, but I thought this one was really, really pretty. And this one is that kind of thick ribbon. This one is a really, really gorgeous ribbon. And if you look really close, you can see the strength and how good this ribbon is. Very nice. Then I went for this one. Now look at this gorgeousness. Gold pretty, has an ivory background, but I thought this one was just too pretty to pass up for that price. By the way, it's $7.99 plus 60% off. 10 yards. Can't beat that. Now, here we go. This is my jam. I have everything gingerbread in front of my house. Well, what I got to decorate before I had to leave for Florida was gingerbread. But I do love gingerbread for Christmas. And of course, I had to get this ribbon. I just thought it was too pretty to pass up. And I might use it next year in a wreath. Then we got that champagne kind of gold pink. There we go. I thought this was beautiful. You can definitely use it for Valentine's, maybe a spring wreath. The last one is this polka dot one. Now, it did have a 2.5-inch ribbon like this. But I love polka dots and I didn't want it to be in the background. I would rather put like a red, solid red one in the back and this one on top because I love the polka dots so much. And this one is absolutely beautiful. It looks like a really good quality ribbon. So I'm definitely happy about that one. And that looks like is it for this after Christmas haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, my friends, don't forget to visit me and watch my wreath tutorials. I pretty much have every holiday, every season you can think of. I have hundreds of wreath tutorials on this channel. And my friends, if there is a wreath or maybe a holiday that I have not fulfilled yet, like maybe Mardi Gras, I know I have not done one of those. Definitely let me know in the comments below because either I might have forgotten it or it was not requested enough. I usually try to do my best to fulfill the wreath requests that I get, but with one wreath a week, and now that I'm away, it's a little harder, but I will definitely do my best. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around for this little haul, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my friends. Mwah.